2025 has been an exciting year for engineering.
Today, we're looking back at our most popular engineering news stories from 2025.
We'll link all the stories in the description for you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any content from us. In March, Kellogg's toasted to the new year and sparked a wave of innovation in the oil, gas and chemical sector by announcing a successful trial using hydrogen to toast their breakfast cereals. The demonstration, funded by a £3 million grant from the UK government, tested whether the factory could switch from natural gas to clean burning hydrogen in its toasting oven.
In that same month, Baker Hughes announced a significant contract for Petrobras across multiple offshore deepwater fields in Brazil. It meant that they would utilise technologies developed by Baker Hughes to specifically meet the needs of the offshore fields, such as multi-zone control, limiting water and gas breakthroughs, and reducing the risk of costly interventions.
In August, UK oil company BP made its most significant discovery in 25 years, with an estimated 500-metre oil and gas column in the Santos Basin off Brazil.
And Mitsubishi Chemical Corporation and INEOS have launched a facility in Japan that enables the conversion of end-of-life plastics into oil for producing new chemicals and plastic products through Mura Technology's water-based recycling process. This process utilizes high-pressure and high-temperature water to break down plastics into hydrocarbons in several steps.
Our top life sciences story involved a furry four-legged feline from Florida who sniffed out a new virus, and it wasn't his first discovery.
Pepper, a black cat owned by public health and health professions virologist John Letnicki, PhD at the University of Florida, was an active part in the first discovery of J. long virus in the United States last year.
This year, Pepper has done it again. His delivery of a dead Everglades short-tailed shrew identified a new strain of a virus. The virus is known to infect humans, bats, and other mammals.
The renewable energy sector has seen incredible growth. The Middle East saw announcements from Oman that it had begun developing its first wind turbine manufacturing facility, with operations expected to commence in 2026. The $200 million project is expected to create around 1,000 jobs and produce an annual capacity of up to 1 gigawatt.
As well, in the UAE, more than 500 electric vehicle charging stations are set to be installed by the end of this year.
South Korean solar developer Sky Green Energy received investment from UK clean energy company Octopus Energy to deploy 140 megawatts of solar over the next 2 years.
The US government's Water Power Technologies Office has unveiled a $112 million fund for wave energy projects.
And a snake-like design received a £750,000 grant from Innovate UK to harness clean power from ocean waves.
2025 has been an exciting year for the engineering industry, and we can't wait to see what next year brings.
What do you want to see more of in 2026?
We want you, the engineers we work with, to shape the content we deliver.
So let us know what you'd like to see.
Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.